Love is always a way of having bad timing. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you.
Hey Khadisiac, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. And if you're already subscribed, then welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be another one featuring HerGivenHair. As I mentioned in my last video that I posted featuring this brand, they're celebrating their 3-year anniversary. So make sure that you follow them to get all the details on the giveaways that they're having and also the sales. Now this is the curly lace front wig from HerGivenHair that I'm wearing. This isn't styled, by the way. I just threw this on just to film this intro. This has to be my favorite wig. Curls are beautiful, and the density, do you guys see this? The density is like so natural, especially compared to the coily texture, which is much thicker. But today I'm gonna be straightening this wig. All right guys, so we're just gonna get started. Here I'm taking my L'Oreal Blow Dry It Quick Dry Primer Spray, and I'm using that as my heat protectant on the hair, just spraying that. And now I'm gonna start blow drying the hair while using my Denman brush just to get it as straight as possible. Alright, so this is the hair all blow dried, and I know it looks crazy, but we're gonna fix the part and everything. So here I'm just taking my little kit, which has my straightening iron and mini blow dryer and all that stuff. And if you guys are interested in this flat iron, this is the brand. I haven't used this in years, like since the last time I straightened my natural hair, which was like 2013. So I'm just going to use that to straighten the hair. And surprisingly, for this to be like a really old flat iron, it worked really well. So straightening the HerGivenHair curly wig was pretty easy. I mean, I filmed this and it was like 78 degrees outside. It was a pretty humid day and the hair didn't revert or anything, so I thought that was pretty good. It was kind of bumpy like towards the roots, but I think that's with any wig. It's a bit more bumpy up there. So I did have to go over that part and kind of get it as flat as possible. So here I'm just fixing up the wig to get ready to work on the hairline and stuff. So I'm just kind of fitting it on my head. And now I'm going to take my coconut oil eco styler gel, which if you have watched any of my HerGivenHair lace front wigs, then you know that I use this just to smooth my edges down and also to smooth the lace down. And just to work on that hairline a little bit more, I'm going to spray this Topic hair fibers onto the lace and my edges to blend them a little bit better. Lastly, I'm going to take my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in dark golden and apply a little bit of that to my part, and this just brings the whole look together. And these are my final results, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys!